Hello guys, today I will show you how to fix this channel can't be displayed because it was used to spread. So let's get started. First open the Telegram app. As you can see, I can't view this channel on Telegram app. For a proof, I'm showing my Telegram number, that it's an Indian number which start with +91. Now click this search button and type Cherrygram. Click the Cherrygram channel and open it. Now click on Download APKs. Now you have to find latest APK version. There will be 3 different versions. Search for the universal one and download the APK. After downloading, install it and open. Log in with your Telegram number. I have to hide my number for privacy issues. Let's check the group that we tried in Telegram app. As you can see, I can't open this channel in Cherrygram, but don't worry, there is a trick. Open Settings, then click Chat Settings. Now scroll down and turn on this. Scroll down, turn on Show Content.
Now let's check the channel again. As you can see, I have successfully able to view this channel with Cherrygram app. Don't get confused by these photos of flowers. I had to delete all content because I can't show them on video. If you find this video helpful, please comment down below and like the video.